Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create an account in Jira. So first, click right here to use your email to sign up to Jira. So use your email. Then simply once you typed in your email, click on sign up right here. And this will load up the sign up page. So you can simply log in with your Atlassian account. So click on continue. Now enter your password. If you don't have a account yet, just click on create an account and give your email right here and continue and your password right here. Now press on login if you have an account. If you don't, then sign up. And then simply click on continue create site. So sites are the shared space where people organize teams, work, and etc. What kind of work do you do? So click on what kind of work do you do? How does your team plan to use Jira? So manage tasks, continue, accept cookies. So this will prepare and build your timelines in Jira. So this is basically an Atlassian account. So it is like Trello or something like that. You can name your project here, so my Kanban project, and click on get started. What types of work do you need? Click on what do you need, click on next, then how do you track your work, and finish. Now your Atlassian account and Jira account are successfully created, and it will load up and show you. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.